Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see, of course, Ethereum on the daily here, where we are still, of course, in a potential 1-2 here toward the upside formation. We see, of course, double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and finished, and we have a WX and a Y here in this blue box so far between the perfect fib level for 0.618, 0.786 here as a WX and a Y. So you can be, of course, in a W here as an ABC wave X and ABC again for wave Y, and finding some signal of strength here for Ethereum where we start to range, of course, for something for higher. Very likely to unfold something, of course, as bullish, since we are still in the perfect fib level for wave 2 without reaching the 886 here. And that means a 1-2 still very valid here for a massive wave 3 that it might unfold as a bull run in case, of course, we have bottomed in a wave Y. Of course, if you are in an A, B, and a C here, that is very likely scenario, of course, that you might be still looking for one more low. And that means, of course, a wave C might still be unfolding as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, this wave 4 is not yet done, and of course we see internally some signals of strength that it might continue even for higher. So let's dive inside it to see those signals. So basically we have, in case, of course, if we are in a wave 1-2 here, then you are bullish already. So this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or wave A, of course. So we're gonna lay down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in case we turn bullish here. And in that case, of course, you might be, of course, looking for higher. You want to break the 1-to-1 fib level. What is the 1-to-1 fib level? The 1-to-1 fib level is an ABC or a WX and a Y. Now, in case you are in an AB and a C, the wave B is finished, obviously. The wave C has started as a 1-2 and followed by several 1-2s and currently unfolding 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5, and then a larger 4, 5, which might finish here a wave 3. And this is gonna turn, of course, to bullish 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, a large impulse toward the upside. And this means, of course, that yeah, we are looking here for something bullish, high possibility, of course. That is why I mentioned the wave Y. Be careful with it. It might, of course, start to unfold something toward the upside. Now, confirmation for this massive bullish scenario that it might unfold a breakout here in bull run, meaning, of course, you want to break the 1-to-1 fib level, you want to break the 2214, and you want to simply continue toward the upside. Now, the wave Y here can be, of course, an ABC. However, even if you are in an A, B, and a C, the wave C has to be finished as 1-2, 1-2, and then wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then, of course, you have here an A, B, and a C done. Meaning you're gonna break the 1-to-1 fib level. Now, it can be, of course, an extended wave Y, a wave 4, a wave C. Of course, wave C can be extended as well as a zigzag, but yeah, I doubt it, guys. In this case, you might, of course, continue for higher. If in case we break it, of course, higher possibility it becomes here to push for higher. That means 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So yeah, we will see, of course, how this is going to unfold in the next steps here. So target for wave 3 here as an impulse, you want to reach, of course, the zone area, which it can start to be considered here as a wave 3. Yeah, so so far we'll see, of course, where this is gonna lead us in between, of course, those fib level. First we'll see if it's gonna be broken or not. It can be, of course, double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, of course, pushing for higher here. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum. The key level to be watched, of course, we're still looking for higher, and the key level to be watched is the 2214, 2237 here for Ethereum. If we take a look also at KGT, so for the KGT 3-minute time frame here, we are looking, of course, at a bearish signal there, but it is invalidated because the price took the last reference here that we have for Ethereum. So the things are turning and shifting to bullish here. And despite, of course, that we have double signals there followed, but of course the things are invalidated, meaning, of course, a correction has been given and, of course, continuation towards the upside can be seen clearly here on the 3-minute. On the 1-minute chart here, we can see another bullish signal has been given. Of course, the deeper you go, of course, in KGT, the deeper you get. So, of course, we get a bullish signal and we're unfolding over there. Now, a bearish signal is appearing. That's very understandable, of course, in case of pressuring, but I see still, of course, that the impulse is still pushing higher, meaning once the price takes the high again, this might transform to an invalidation one more time again. And this means, of course, yeah, very likely that we might take the high here anyway, because we are looking for the 1-to-1 fib level. This might turn into invalidation and it might continue. If in case, of course, we break it, we might continue towards a wave 3 towards the $2,545 for Ethereum. So the things are, of course, shifting very fast, I would say. In case, of course, if we're pushing bullish, this is a very, very fast shifting here towards the upside, and this is exactly what I'm expecting, how the crypto market is going to reverse, of course, as bullish as a bull run. So be careful, this might be the signal already. If not, of course, if we see a weakness again and then we push really massively toward the downside or impulsively, then okay, that's it. This is a wave 4 still, and we're still looking for one more low. However, of course, don't forget that this might be the signal for the bull run in a finished wave Y. That was it for Ethereum. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.